So we're looking at word problems with the topic solving a decimal word problem using a linear equation of the form ax plus b equals c. And seeing this pattern is very important, the ax plus b equals c. So let's just break down the different parts of this particular equation we have here. So we see here, when you have this general form, you're going to be looking for the a value is going to correspond to some rate. The b value is going to be some sort of constant, like a one-time fee. And then our c is usually some sort of total, or sometimes you could think of it as like an output. So let's keep these three things in mind. And then you have your variable x, which will be something that is changing based on usage. All right, so let's read this and see if we can identify these parts. Okay, so first we have, for his long distance phone service, Kareem pays a $3 monthly fee plus 11 cents per minute. Last month, Kareem's long distance bill was $9.71. For how many minutes was Kareem billed? Okay, so let's see if we can identify these parts. So starting with, we saw a $3 monthly fee. So that is what we're calling this constant, V, the $3 monthly fee. Right? This is a constant. Regardless of how many minutes Kareem uses the phone service, this $3 fee is just a one-time fee. Then we have plus 11 cents per minute. See that 11 cents and then it says per minute. That tells us we have a rate. So $0.11 per minute. That is our rate. And then we're given the total for Kareem's bill. Right? The long distance bill was $9.71 total. All right, so if we follow this pattern, we have ax plus b equal to c. All right, and I'm just going to make a little note here that x is representing the number of minutes used by Kareem on the phone. Okay, and so the question is asking us, how many minutes was Kareem billed? Well, let's see. So substituting for A, we're putting in 0.11 and then the variable X plus B, which is our constant 3, equals our total bill, $9.71. All right, we have our equation. All right, so now let's solve the equation. I'm going to subtract 3 from each side of the equation, and notice how I'm lining up my 3 by the decimal point, so the 9 minus 3 is lined up, and that gives me 0.11x. The plus 3 and the minus 3 is eliminated, and that's equal to 6.71. All right, now you'll notice that this particular part of the assignment is a separate assignment where it does say calculator is permitted. Keep that in mind. It's on this assignment, this question, not on everything. All right, so I'm going to divide both sides by 0.11, and I can see where this is where it's going to be helpful to use the calculator to calculate the 6.71 divided by 0.11, and that gives us 61 minutes. So we see that Kareem was billed for 61 minutes.